And so, good day. I'm Mars Belen from BSEC 3E. Today, I will discuss about the MATLAB exercise number 6. So, ayan po yung code. Andiyan na rin po yung result. Sensya na po medyo maingay. Ayan, ayan. Ayan po. I think naman po, tama naman po yung ginawa kong code. Kasama po yung partner ko. Ayan. Step response. Ayan. So, the Lab 6 entitled block diagram reduction. So in MATLAB, block diagram reduction simplifies complex systems for easier analysis and design, maintaining input, output, behavior while reducing complexity. It improves performance, aids in design decisions, and facilitates system verification. So that is all for this laboratory. Thank you.